Hello traders, welcome back to the official Meg VIP channel. If you've been trading crypto for a while, you've probably noticed something strange. Bitcoin can stay completely quiet for hours, and then suddenly, within 30 minutes, it makes a huge move. No new indicator, no magic signal. So what actually caused it? Today, I'm going to break down one of the most underrated concepts in trading sessions, and how understanding this single factor can dramatically improve your timing, especially if you trade Binance futures. This is not theory. This is something we actively use inside Meg VIP. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also explain how to apply this without overtrading, a mistake most traders make. Why timing matters more than you think. Most beginner traders focus only on indicators, signals, entry prices. But professional traders ask a different question first. Is this the right time to trade? Markets don't move randomly. They move when liquidity enters the market. And liquidity comes from banks, institutions, funds, large traders. These players don't trade all day. They trade during specific market sessions. If you understand when the market is active, you stop forcing trades and start trading with the flow. What are trading sessions? Let's define this clearly. Even though crypto is open 24/7, trading activity is not equal throughout the day. Trading sessions are based on major financial hubs around the world: Asia, Europe, United States. Each session has a different level of liquidity, a different volatility profile, a different market behavior. This is why the same setup can fail at one time and work perfectly at another. Asian explain Tokyo. Let's start with the Asian session, also known as the Tokyo session. DO9 UTC. General characteristics: lower volatility, more sideways movement, range-bound price action. This session is usually not explosive, but it's still important. Why? Because the Asian session often builds liquidity, creates highs and lows, sets the range for the next session. Many experienced traders use this time to mark support and resistance, identify liquidity zones, prepare for London Open. In crypto, moves during Asia can sometimes feel unpredictable. Not because the market is random, but because liquidity is thinner. This is why beginners often struggle if they trade aggressively during this session. London session, where structure forms. Next is the London 16C UTC. This is where real participation begins. London brings strong volume, better trend structure, cleaner price movement. This session is especially important for breakout traders, trend continuation setups, structure-based trading. However, one key warning: the first hour of London can include fake breakouts. Inside Meg VIP, we always wait for confirmation, not impulsive entries. London often decides the daily bias, whether Asia's range will break or hold. New York session maximum volatility. Now let's talk about the most powerful session, the New York session. 1322 UTC. This is where institutional money enters heavily, economic news releases hit, major trends accelerate or reverse. Many of Bitcoin's biggest daily candles form here. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. The New York session offers huge opportunity, but also huge risk. If you don't manage risk properly, this session can destroy accounts just as fast as it can grow them. This is why we emphasize clear invalidation levels, proper position sizing, no emotional trading. 10:30 12 overlaps, the power zone. Now pay very close attention. The most important trading window is not a single session. It's the overlap. London plus New York overlap. This is when liquidity is at its highest, volatility expands, fake moves get punished quickly. If you ever wondered why price suddenly accelerates, this is usually why. Inside Meg VIP, many of our high-quality setups activate during this window, not because we force trades, but because the market finally has enough participation. How trading sessions fit into a real strategy. Let me be very clear. Trading sessions are not a strategy by themselves. You should never trade just because it's New York Open or London started. Instead, sessions help you filter bad trades, improve timing, avoid low probability hours. For example, Breakout strategies perform better during high liquidity. Range strategies work better during quiet sessions. Professional trading is about stacking probabilities. TradingView Tool Practical Walkthrough. Here's something practical you can use today. On TradingView, you can visually display trading sessions. Steps: 1. Go to Indicators. 2. Search for trading sessions. 3. Apply it to your chart. Now you'll clearly see Asian ranges, London expansions, New York volatility spikes. This alone helps you. Stop overtrading, trade with intention, respect market timing. So 15630, how Meg VIP uses this concept. Inside Meg VIP, we don't rely on hype or guessing. We combine market structure, liquidity concepts, risk management, session timing. This is why we focus on quality over quantity. Sometimes the best trade is waiting, and that mindset alone separates consistent traders from emotional ones. Before we wrap up, one important reminder. Higher volatility does not mean bigger leverage, bigger risk, faster profits. It means you must be more disciplined, not more aggressive. No session guarantees profits. Only discipline and consistency do. If this video helped you understand the market at a deeper level, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected. If you want to see how we apply these concepts in real trading conditions, you can join our free community and observe our approach. Trade smart, respect the market, and I'll see you in the next Meg VIP update.